In the financial crisis in the whole world, not only in this region and Kuwait, the investment sectors, it's being hit badly compared to any sectors. Why? There are several reasons. One of the main reasons is that people trust. Here, because people, they went through the very troubled financial crisis, and especially through some products or tools that some investment companies they are producing, try to convince the investor to come and invest with them and do business. So they've been hit badly. So now to gain the trust, you need more time compared to other sectors. Whereas the banking sectors, for instance, people, they will not give up dealing with banks, no matter what happened. Because you need the bank for your, your salary, your business, your insurance, everything. So the bank is a link with everybody. It doesn't matter whether it's a financial crisis or not. But during the financial crisis, the banks, they've been hit by taking a lot of provision. But again, people came back to deal with them. If you compare it with investment banking, it's the opposite. People, when they have surplus money, and it's a good time, they come to us and they feel very comfortable. And the bad time, they hate us because they thought that we are also not protecting their money like a deposit in the bank. So therefore we have to regain the trust of investors by being very straightforward in terms of the way we do business and the team that we are having that conduct this business, and the quality of services, plus the track record of whatever products that we have already produced and how it's been affected compared to the market index and compared to any other indexes that we are doing a business in, especially like if we are doing business in a region, in Saudi or in Qatar or in UAE, the position that we are taking for our clients, the correction is much less than the index correction in those markets. So that shows how professional we are compared to others. But correction could happen to any investors, especially when the financial crisis hits, because you cannot do different than others, whereas you are dealing with the Kuwait market or dealing with the Saudi market, and as you said, the correction is 50%. So how can I outperform the index? But that takes time. Now people intend to go to the fixed income products, more secure products. It's not sophisticated products. So that takes time from us to go back and try to convince people that that's life. It's a cycle. It's not all the time it's glory. Not all the time people enjoy the inflated index, let's say, or yeah, that's life. And we are part of that sector. And I have said this last time as well, and it's continued to be the true things, has happened. The last 2 years I was saying something, and I feel it. Now it's become reality. Investment banking, asset management, investment banking, they have to focus on their own core business only. Before we were doing a lot of other things beside the asset management, investment banking, just to enhance and to diversify the source of income. And that's not wrong. But because time is changing and the opportunity is limited, so therefore it is better just to focus on your core business, just to stay and do the business that you've been established for. So therefore, I will see a lot of deleveraging of most of the investment companies, the cutting costs, as you said, because if they have more than business line, so they will have more people to do this business line. So if they are deleveraging, it means that they are going to exit from direct investment, for instance, from other business which is not indirectly related to your business, but it is a good business that you need to take a piece of it to diversify your income, source of income. And to position yourself, gaining the trust, I said, to most of your investors, plus help other companies that they are facing problem, because this is part of our business in investment banking, to go and restructure companies in terms like, capital, debts, even strategy, and focus on, studying opportunities for others, rather than going and invest directly and manage, companies, which is not in the investment sector, like, in the real estate, industrial sector, or any other sectors that most investment companies used to do before. I think this is the direction going forward.